Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Vibes. Today we're fixing GTA 6 constantly closing on your PS5. Let's start with the most common PS5 crash issue by checking the PS5 power connection. Gently unplug the PS5 power cable from the back of your PS5. Wait a few seconds and reinsert the PS5 power cable firmly. Now press the PS5 power button once to start the PS5 normally. Once your PS5 loads, highlight GTA 6 but don't open it yet. Press the Options button on your PS5 controller. Choose Check for Update to make sure GTA 6 is updated on your PS5. If an update appears, download it directly on your PS5. Now go back and check for a PS5 system update. Open Settings on your PS5. Go to System, then System Software Update on your PS5. Install any update available for your PS5. After updating, fully shut down the PS5 from the power menu. Wait for the PS5 to turn off completely before touching anything. Unplug every cable from the PS5, including HDMI and power. Leave the PS5 unplugged for 60 seconds to clear temporary cache. While the PS5 is unplugged, check the PS5 HDMI port for loose dust. Gently clean around the PS5 HDMI port with a soft brush. Reconnect the PS5 HDMI cable securely to your PS5. Also reconnect the PS5 power cable back into the PS5. Now press and hold the PS5 power button until you hear the second beep. This will start the PS5 in safe mode. Connect your PS5 controller to the PS5 using a USB cable. Select Clear Cache and Rebuild Database. From the PS5 Safe Mode menu, choose Rebuild Database to organize game files on your PS5. Once the PS5 restarts, return to the PS5 home screen. Highlight GTA 6 again but do not open it. Press Options on your PS5 controller. Select Delete Game Data, but not the entire game on your PS5. This removes corrupted GTA 6 save files from the PS5. Now restart your PS5 one more time. After rebooting, open Settings on your PS5. Go to Storage and open Console Storage on your PS5. Check if your PS5 has enough free space for GTA 6. Delete unused games or apps from your PS5 to free space. Now return to the GTA 6 icon on your PS5. Launch GTA 6 to test stability on your PS5. If GTA 6 still closes, go back to the PS5 home screen. Press Options on the GTA 6 icon using your PS5 controller. Select Delete Game from your PS5, but keep your cloud saves. Once GTA 6 is removed, restart your PS5 again. Open the PlayStation Store on your PS5. Re-download GTA 6 directly to your PS5. Make sure the PS5 stays connected to stable internet during download. After installation, return to the PS5 home screen. Press the PS5 PS button and check system performance. Now launch GTA 6 freshly installed on your PS5. The PS5 should now run GTA 6 without closing frequently. Thanks for watching Tech Vibes. Enjoy GTA 6 on your PS5 without crashes.